still remember the time that we were 17. We saw each other, and I knew you were meant for me. And in the moment, time passed slowly. You leaned towards and whispered to me, did you know that you look so stunning right now? We walk up to the dance floor, then you took my hands. You also wanted ice cream and made all the demands. Always made me laugh with your funny sense of humor. I know that I found someone who could be my future. Why did you leave me? Are you still around watching over me? Play your favorite songs to your picture frame, but it's not the same, 'cause it's not you. It won't lean against my shoulder like you used to. You always like the sea, so I lay blue flowers on your grave like ocean waves. Time stands still when we're together. I still can't forget your smile. I wish you could hold me close like you did so long ago. You wanted to see the world with me forever, but you disappeared somewhere 6 feet under. I could never fall in love when you are by my side. I'd offer all my blood, would even go blind for you to come back for even just a day, so I can talk to you and ask you why you left me. Are you still around watching over me? Play your favorite songs to your picture frame, but it's not the same, 'cause it's not you. Won't lean against my shoulder like you used to. You always like the sea, so I lay blue flowers on your grave like ocean waves. Thank you, Tim.
Thank you.